Hi friends! I know you're probably looking for ways to make extra income because let's face it, who isn't? We all are. And I am sharing this video with you in the hopes that you can find the same solution to creating extra income that I did. If you don't know me, my name is Tina. I live in beautiful Nova Scotia, Canada with my husband and our fur babies. And I knew I needed to make a change dramatically because the direct sales industry that I have been part of for over 20 years, that I built a successful full-time business with for the past 14 years, completely shifted. The industry is not the same, and I knew I needed to shift as well. Now, fortunately, I saw the writing on the wall, so I started doing my research and looking into different ways to make money at home and online, because after doing that for the past 14 years, I don't want to go work for somebody else. I don't want to have to leave the house. I want to be able to take my dog for a walk whenever I want, make a cup of tea whenever I want, and work whenever I want. Now, having said that, with my full-time business, I was putting in easily 12 to 14-hour days, and lots of times I'd be working 7 days a week. You guys, I was so burned out, it wasn't even funny. And I just wasn't enjoying it as much as I used to. I loved the products, I love my customers, I love my team, all the rest of it. But I was so burned out and so tired. And I just thought, my goodness, after doing this for 14 years, should it still be this hard? Should I still be feeling like I'm in that hamster wheel, constantly spinning, spinning, spinning? And if I slowed down or stopped, I didn't get paid. And I knew I wanted to make a change. So I started looking into the digital marketing world, digital products, what skills I needed to learn so that I can shift gears and work from home, but also so that I could work less and make more. And you guys, after doing my research and dabbling in a few different courses and programs here and there, I hit the nail on the head with this particular program. This course not only teaches you all the skills that you need to be successful in the digital marketing space, which, by the way, if you're wondering if this is an oversaturated industry, it's not. You can check out right here. You can see the prediction of Forbes. This industry is booming and it's not going anywhere. So it's a super smart move for you to get in on this digital marketing industry. And I am just absolutely blown away with the resources in the program. It comes with a live community, live tech support, daily videos, and the skills that I have been learning in this program are helping me also create digital products and follow my dreams and passions and learn how to market them, learn how to leverage social media, and take my time with the courses. It's all video step by step. And I'm here to tell you, I'll be 55 this year, and if I can learn these new skills, you can learn these new skills. You do not have to be tech savvy, and everything is done for you. It's a one and done business in a box, and you can decide how you want to utilize everything that's in this program. So for instance, if you already have a business and you want to leverage that business, I guarantee you, you will learn the skills in this course to do that. If you want to start a new business, you will find the skills and everything that you need, all the resources in this course. You do not have to show your face on camera. You don't have to constantly recreate the wheel. Everything is there for you, and you can learn how to copy and paste free ads if that's something you want to do. You can learn how to start your new social media accounts to market anything that you want. But while you're doing all of these things, here's the kicker. This course is also a master resale rights product. What does that mean? That means that you can share and resell this course to anyone who's interested, and you will make 100% profit. Unlike if you took a course through a school or lots of businesses online, they will offer courses, $2,000, $3,000, and they get They get all of that money themselves. You don't see a penny of that. Friends, you can take this course and you can learn and earn and resell these products, the course, in the e-learning industry, and make substantial income while also taking the skills you're learning in this course to create multiple income streams, which is what I'm doing and which is what many people are doing in our community and finding huge success. Now, let me tell you, in the first 12 weeks of doing this program, of learning everything and implementing everything, because of course it's one thing to read it, you have to put things into action, you have to do the things, but if you're coachable and you're willing to learn, you can do this. I have made more money in 12 weeks than I have earned in 6 months working 12, 14-hour days, and I'm only doing this a couple of hours a day. And you can do this from anywhere. I was just in BC on Vancouver Island at my dad's for his 75th birthday. I had only planned on going for a week, so I didn't take my laptop, my friends. And I ended up extending my trip for 2 more weeks. So I was out there for 3 weeks because my dad actually ended up in the hospital with pneumonia, and I wanted to stay behind and help him recover, and he's doing much better. So all I had was my phone. And I was still able to plug in, do a little bit of work here and there, and I still earned income. While I'm baking sourdough bread and cookies and things and filling up my dad's freezer and doing errands for him, like, amazing. And to have that time freedom and to not feel stressed and to constantly be learning and growing my business, it's just phenomenal. I can't recommend the digital marketing space enough. So I wanted to share this with you because I want others like you to find the same financial freedom that I've gotten back, which has been phenomenal and wonderful, and also not to worry about how am I going to make money, because in this day of age, my friends, you have got to have multiple income streams. You just have to. And I can't recommend this program enough. I can't recommend the digital marketing space enough. And I'm just so excited about this, and why wouldn't I want to share it with others? So if you're interested, reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you. We have a free webinar happening tomorrow where you can listen to our mentor and others in our community, hear their testimonials on how they're making money. And if you're wondering, is it really possible to make 10K in 30 days? Because I know when I first heard that, I'm like, man, is this a scam? It's not a scam. It is very, very doable, and many people are doing it. And like I said, the income that I've already seen has blown my mind, and I'm so, so excited for 2025, and I want you to have that as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to share the information with you.